Yo, we just arrived to Tegalalang today. I hope so nobody gonna hit me by the car because you know drivers here stuff like this one. And if you don't know what is Tegalalang, they are rice tea races in Ubud. Actually outside the Ubud because Tegalalang is separate village. There are already big buses like this one behind me, so that means that some tourists are come back, and of course there are some tourists walking. Passing around, stuff like this one, but definitely it's very far to the situation like it was before the pandemic times. It's very, very quiet to this moment, so it's actually a pretty good time to explore this area of Bali right now, because maybe next year it's gonna be very busy again. We are sitting here behind this gas truck. There is Sayang. Hi, Sayang. And the traffic situation in Tegalalang like this one. Some tourists already come back. Some business of the tour guides come back, like these people sitting in the car, they are tourists and stuff like this one, and also this fellas over here, so it's not so bad. The rice fields looking like this one. This is also a characteristic spot with the sign I love Bali for everyone who would like to have some pictures. But I can see on the rice fields there are not so many people walking like it was ages ago. I remember back to 2019. That was like crazy. That was crazy busy at that time. But today it's just like, you know, like recovery time, I'm gonna tell you. And this is where we gonna have some drink. And overall situation, many shops are come back actually, but also many things are abandoned. Like this one, there's supposed to be a newer kind of club or bar, but it's abandoned. And everything looks like a little bit sleepy. So I'm gonna tell you, if you would like to explore the rice fields and walking there, having some trek and stuff like this one, I highly recommend you to do it as soon as possible until the mass tourism come back. Local warung with local people for every local vibe, guys. If you'd like to have something like that, you can come and have it the coconut or coke. Unhealthy stuff, healthy stuff. Hiya. How you doing?
This is how actually Tegalalang rice tea race nowadays. When it was before pandemic time, it was so hype. I remember that when before I can say, whenever when we want to walk here and the shops were full with tourists. But now, you know, when the tourism already open, people already coming to Bali, seems like the Tegalalang rice tea race, not many people are coming to there, and seems like people more are going to the beach club, right?
Exactly as Winnie said, definitely. Even the Ubud center probably will be much busier than the, you know, like a tourist attraction, like a rice field, natural drinks, and of course probably if you're gonna go to the beach clubs, definitely. After that we're gonna go to the Ubud center and let's see how's the life going on over there. And we are in Ubud city center right now, as you can see. Actually it's very busy. That means people prefer to be in the cities right now, as I mentioned already many times, rather than watching the nature. We're gonna show you around how does it look like at Ubud center right now. And it's 2 o'clock during the daytime, because last time was the night time and everybody was thinking as only it's because of the nightlife, but actually during daytime is as well. Anyways, we are going to the intersection of, you know, the Ubud art market and main intersection in Ubud, and actually as you can see everywhere there are tourists walking around. Also the restaurant seems also pretty busy, and also behind somebody is saying, trying to sell you the dances and all of this stuff. Also unfortunately the online transportation is not allowed in Ubud for some reason, but yeah, that's how it is. But you have this boy who gonna try to sell you the taxi instead. But well, no fixed price, you have to negotiate with him. Here we go. But after that, yeah, looks pretty busy to me actually. It's pretty hard to passing the street around. As you can see, people walking on the left, on the right. This is the main junction situation in Ubud right now. As you can see, it's pretty the same like during the night time. I don't see much different, except that it's very hot right now, but the people are walking around. Traffic situation is pretty crazy the same. So Bali, Ubud, especially Ubud, is busy, guys. What I gonna tell you? It's actually crowded. Crazy. Actually, so many tourists everywhere around. Check this out. So, like I said again, Ubud city. In general, city centers rather than natural and tourist attractions. Yo, what's up? Crazy. Traffic. Let me know in the comment section if you miss the traffic like this and if you are able and brave enough to driving with them here right now.
So now I would like to show you how is the progress of the Ubud traditional market. I think that they work like 24/7 and now becoming like this. I hope that this project gonna finish soon because of the tourists already coming here and people already pack here. You see the traffic, and yeah, it's not only at the night time but also at daytime is traffic.
Personally, I also feel like I prefer to exploring cities nowadays. I don't know if it's just because of my and our generation, or maybe just simply you also like cities, right?
I like to see people crowded.
Exactly.
I'm tired of pandemic where nobody.
Exactly, we are tired of empty places, and seems like centers of the cities are only the place where it's busy. But you can let me know in the comment section what do you think and what do you prefer yourself. All right, now we have a mission to cross the street, which may be very interesting, but when I hold the camera in the hand, nobody wants to crash into me because, you know, afraid I have. That will be obvious, right? Also, there is no footpath right now because the construction of the art market took also the, you know, walkway. So, you know, that's how does it look like. You have to walk like this one. Always remember to be careful. Market gonna look like this one, something like that in the future. And the traffic jam is at, you see, 2 o'clock. It's easy for me. The same like at night. It's not only because we are filming during the nightlife. It's just simply all day like that. Unbelievable.
Okay guys, if you walk on the Jalan Monkey Forest and then there is a one small lane, small gang, you just turn left like this. So this is the shortcut to the Ubud traditional market. So let's get inside.
Let's get inside. As you can see, it's very small, so be careful. And if you're already here, we're gonna show you a little bit of the art market, what's going on around over here. So many, you know, products you can find over here of Vol, obviously. The famous bags, the, you know, yo brother, very nice. But there is no more football in Indonesia, you know that?
King of Indonesian League.
Yeah, you know, so what we can do, stuff like this. My dream catchers here, dream catcher, you know, stuff like this. Hello. So actually, as you can see, there is not that many tourists in the market itself. Where we're expecting. They are more actually interesting. People are interested about the cities again. What's going on, the crowds and all of this stuff, rather than buying the same and over the same stuff and stuff like this. I don't know also if many people buying souvenirs when they travel nowadays. I don't know. And again, we're back to the main street and check this out. Busy. Check this out. Ooh. Also very hot, guys. Anyways, look the way how they park the motorbikes here. It's such a mess. Instead, you park the Scoopy there and then you have to push another 3 Scoopy to get out, and be careful of the Pajero if not gonna drive into you, you know? It's like crazy, unbelievable. Only in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia, stuff like this. And especially in Ubud. Look at this. 1, 2, and then you have your scoop there. Crazy, hey? Here is even better. If you park your NMAX over there, you have to push 3 another one somewhere. I don't know where, so welcome to paradise. Motorbike paradise. Overall, the situation on the street still is going on. Nothing really has changed with that. This is the corner of the Arjuna Lane. This is the Tropicola restaurant, also pretty busy. And this is like a smaller street continuation of the art market, I could say. Not so long ago there was nothing here. I mean, like literally the street was totally empty. If you're watching me for a longer while, you should know that. But now seems like the bazaars come back, sellers come back, and also some people actually walking, passing by. Also, the street is a little bit nice. Reminds me a little bit of the Hoi An in Vietnam, like very nice, small-looking street with the markets on the left, on the right, local sellers, souvenirs, umbrellas. Pretty
So
nice.
yeah, I think that this gonna be another Instagrammable spot actually. So when you walk, look at the umbrella, the rainbow color, and people, and
Motorbikes.
this small street is only enough for one motorbike, I think. So I think that's all our video today, guys, from Ubud, and then we were in Tegalalang rice paddy terrace, and we're showing you the how is Ubud traditional market and how is Ubud center crowded and how the traffic is crazy. So yeah, this crazy traffic is not only happen in daytime but also happen at night time. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.